Alright, it's a tiny little video, guys. I'm doing this on the front of the video for this one. I'm doing 7 days of Stirling engines. Every single day I'm going to do a different Stirling engine and a different review on it. So this would be at the front of the first look at this engine. And I'll do a different Stirling engine every day after this, until I run out of Stirling engines. I'll leave it. Right. I've got a phase on Stirling engines by the looks of it. I've come across this rather huge, in fact I've zoomed my camera out as far as I can and I can still just about get it in the picture, rather huge Stirling engine. I'm not sure the diameter of that flywheel, but you're looking at 8 or 9 inches. Quite a size. I can feel it's got good compression. I've only got it out of the box just now, but it looks well made. Now I think that this is made by a gentleman called Roland Reichelt. He does really high quality Stirling engines, and they all seem to have this same sort of mechanism. Now I've got a couple and they've all got that same sort of mechanism. I'm going to do videos on the others later, but this is the largest. You can probably hear RAF jets flying around behind, but I haven't cleaned it yet. It looks very nice. It looks it's a large model. I mean, give you some idea of the size. This is my Coleman's fluid, what I use for my hit and miss engines, and that's a litre. That's a litre. So imagine a litre of Coke. That's a litre, or 2.2 pints in Imperial. So it is huge. It's a big engine. It came with the original burner. It's on a lovely. It's very heavy. This is a cast iron base. This is a cast iron, the surround. It's got the little tiny MEFs or spirit burner. Needs a good clean. I haven't cleaned it yet. I always do my videos as I get them, just see how they are, because if it turns out it's got a problem, then we can follow the problem through together as part of the next few videos. But it came from a collection. There was quite a lot of these at an auction sale, and it took me about 3 weeks to get them delivered, and I had to pay sort of the normal duties to get them in, but they was all from the same manufacturer. So I didn't win all of them. I won a few. I'm going to be doing a different video for each different engine. So what I'm going to do first of all, I've put a little bit of spirit in there. I'm going to give it a go and see, first of all, see if she'll actually light. But yeah, so yeah, that's going. It needs a good clean down, you can see. So yeah, it needs a good clean down. So look at that spirit, invisible. But let's see. Yeah, it's definitely it's definitely a light. Now let's see if that actually moves, because normally with a Stirling engine, if they're in good condition, you put the burner down and it will move a bit. Not moving. That normally shows some sort of compression. Even if it's not ready to run, it normally move a bit. Well, it hasn't. Might be on its wrong stroke, but I don't know if it goes that way. Oh, look at that! I wasn't expecting that straight away. I definitely wasn't expecting that straight away, because they normally move a little bit. picking up a bit of speed and all now. I mean, look at the size of that flame. Tiny. Absolutely tiny. This is a large model. These started getting larger. These are the sort of proper Stirling engines that used to run machinery. It's that sort of, I mean, it's a duplicate of that sort of size. It's going well. I haven't even oiled it. I weren't expecting it to run. I'll pull it out of there now. See how long that runs for. It won't run for long. I've got a tiny little flame. Look. I like to get them to run sort of at a steady speed. So nothing wrong with that engine. Nothing wrong with that engine. Needs to build up a bit of heat again now. I've seen one online and all the brass nuts and bolts are all shiny, so these are all going to be polished up and get it to look how it should look. Well, what about that? It's a lovely running engine. It's even got a drive, a takeoff there for a drive. So I might get it to run something. Because it's looking at the size of that little flame and how fast that's going. That's probably a powerful engine. Can't see the size of the displacement piston. I might be able to reduce that. I don't think I can reduce it much. I'm gonna come back in a minute. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna set up my little Bix burner, but with the tiny head, and see if I can get that running a bit slower. I'll come back soon. Well, let's just say it's a very keen engine. I've got a tiny little flame in there now, and she still likes to go. And we'll try and turn that down a little bit. Just see if I can slow it down, but this size engine probably needs a decent flame. That's slowing down a bit, but it's probably slowing down to the pace where it would actually stop. Probably not enough flame there now to maintain it. But it's just an experiment. Yeah, I think that's gonna. It needs a bit more. Just tweak that up a bit. It's a nice engine, that is. I'll tweak that up and it's starting picking up again now. Yeah, it's a keen engine. Keen engine, very well made. You can run like that on a tiny little flame. Well, it's a good clean now, and I'll try. I'm going to clean it down later on and get it back to its original colours, and then I might try and run something off of it, because I know that it's got some power. That drive is on the back here, and I've got some toys, so. I want to polish all these up. They look like buttons on someone's tunic. Officer's tunic with these buttons. There's a powerful engine. I'll put the name up of the gentleman that makes these. Yeah. I know it is. I think I said it earlier, but I will put the name up with the correct spelling. Keen engine. I'll drop that down now. That's beginning to slow. But I think that's going to slow to a point where that flame is too small now. I'm switching it off now anyway. But how about that, guys? Size of it. Huge engine. And you run all that engine on that tiny little flame. Efficient, that's efficient. Alright, if you like this sort of thing, guys, do a like and subscribe. I'm doing a different Stirling engine every day this week. And this is the first one. So I'm going to leave it there. Like and subscribe, and I'll do some more. Cheers, guys.